Okay, so we'll take a crack at question 11. It's a pretty standard network reliability question where we've got to decompose the networks into series parallel systems and use the rules for those two systems to be able to compute the overall reliability. We first observe that we can decompose into two series subsystems like this. And then we have in red an entirely parallel subsystem. Then in yellow, we've got two series subsystems that are in parallel. So let's go through and compute the reliability of all of these subsystems. So let's give them some labels. Let's call this one, let's call the yellow subsystem S1, the red subsystem S2. Then we'll call the smaller ones S11, S12, like so. And let's just do reliability of system 2. Because it's parallel, we multiply, we've got this result that the unreliabilities are products of the unreliability. So unreliability is a complement of reliability. So 1 minus the reliability of E times 1 minus the reliability of F times 1 minus the reliability of, what's that, G. Okay, so that's the reliability of subsystem 2. We can plug in the numbers and figure this out. So when we do that, it turns out that this is 0.76 to 2 decimal places. Alrighty. Now we can do S1. To get S1, we need the reliability S11 and S12, so let's figure them out. S11, well, this is a series system, so it's the product of the reliabilities. It's the reliability of A times the reliability of B. S12 is the same, it's the reliability of C times the reliability of D. The parallel subsystem then, S1, then has reliability as follows: 1 minus RAB, 1 minus RCRD. Oops. I want to write this RARB. And so when we plug in the numbers into this, we've got it specified here, all the reliabilities. It's just a matter of substitution. This subsystem turns out to be 0.8292. All right, and now we've got these two subsystems in series. So our system overall equals RS1 times RS2 equals just the product of these two numbers, which happens to be 0.6306. Okay. The next question says that, or asks, what should we maintain if we want to improve the system reliability? So you usually maintain the least reliable component in the least reliable subsystem. So the least reliable subsystem is S2. The least reliable component in S2 is G. And indeed, this is the least reliable component overall, so it makes sense to maintain that component. So you maintain G. Now, if you were to maintain G, you can actually go through and recompute the reliability with RG equals 0.9. So the reliability of the system becomes 0.8049.